good.
That's a perfect eating size right here. That's what I'm talking about. That's a good eating. I always love whenever I get to bring the kiddos on a fishing trip. They love it. I love it. Get to do a lot of bonding and have a lot of fun while doing it. That's a big old fish you got on here, whatever it is.
See that platform gleaming over there.
How long did it take you to pull that one in?
It felt about like 10 minutes, and it really hurt my arms. So I'm thankful I finally caught this thing because it was really getting on my nerves.
There you go.
That took longer than 3 minutes. That's more like 10.
an hour.
Really?
That's more like 10 or 12 minutes.
Oh.
But yeah, look at that, boy. You got you a big old red fish.
He's sweating.
Huh, you having fun?
Yeah.
That's my girls. Go from pulling in the bulls to doing flips. Never a dull moment around here.